Want to get free Robux? Here's how you can do it without spending money. Make sure to hit that like and sub if this video helps. Step 1. Use Roblox's official events and promotions. First, keep an eye on official Roblox events and promotions. Roblox often gives away free Robux or special in-game items during seasonal events, updates, or collaborations. Make sure you're following Roblox's social media or website for announcements. Step 2. Join Roblox Affiliate Program. The Roblox Affiliate Program lets you earn Robux by inviting new players to Roblox or promoting games. When someone signs up through your link and buys items or subscribes, you earn Robux. Step 3. Participate in Roblox giveaways. Robux giveaways are common within the Roblox community. Many YouTubers and influencers host these, often requiring you to complete simple tasks like following them, commenting on posts, or joining group chats to enter. Step 4. Complete Roblox quests and offers. Some third-party websites and apps offer Robux in exchange for completing offers or tasks. These can include surveys, app downloads, or watching ads. Make sure to use trusted sites to avoid scams. Step 5. Join Roblox Premium. While not completely free, if you have Roblox Premium, you get a steady monthly Robux allowance. It's worth considering if you're looking to invest in the platform regularly and get a consistent flow of Robux. That's how to get free Robux. Stay active in events, participate in giveaways, and use affiliate programs to earn without spending money. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more tips and comment for any other how-to you might need.